Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. And welcome to this new video on Jasmy. Wanted to do an update. I know a lot of you are still holding, trading it. Jasmy hasn't been, honestly, if you look at some other cryptos that have been very much hyped up, Jasmy hasn't really been hyped up that much in this bull cycle. Price has done great, right? I mean, price has gone up quite a bit. From this bottom here, the 20th of October, we've gone up a total of 120%. Nothing, but still, I thought it was interesting because I know that there's a big community around Jasmy. So yeah, perhaps I would have expected more, but yeah, we're doing an update on the price right now. If you watch my last video, then technically Jasmy was still bullish, but back then we also said that. Back then we also said that the price was up here, right, on top of 0.6 cents, and there still was some bullish momentum then pushing up the price. But what we said back then as well is that that Jasmy was not giving off that much strength from this level, and it needed to have some strength from there, all right, because the next price target would be around 0.96 and 0.7 cents, and to get there you need momentum, and at that moment Jasmy was absolutely showing no momentum. So what we said back then is also that it was quite likely that Jasmy would get a pullback, because we also expected Bitcoin, which Jasmy, unfortunately, maybe, but it is quite correlated to Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin moves down, Jasmy tends to follow. So yeah, that happens. I'm not sure anymore what support we set. I think we said 0.55 cents. So if you followed that, at least you could have preserved your capital, right? But the situation right now for Jasmy is not that much better, all right? You can still see that there's now actually some bearish momentum here. The EMAs have flipped from support, last time we covered it, to resistance, or at least they're no longer bullish, at least. And Jasmy itself, look, there's just absolutely, if you compare the momentum today with the momentum of last week, it's non-existent, all right? It has dropped down significantly. In the last day, it has also dropped down quite a bit. I think it will stabilize, but stability is not going to drive the price up, all right? I think the only thing that could really save Jasmy, or that could make Jasmy bullish here, is a very bullish Bitcoin. And then I'm talking about a Bitcoin that breaks above 42,500. And that is honestly not something I see as I see it as a possibility, but I think it's highly unlikely. And therefore, I think it's more likely as well that Jasmy right now, while it's losing momentum, while the market structure has turned into something that is at least a little bit more bearish, I think it's just most likely that Jasmy here will find resistance in this area between 0.57 and potentially 0.6 cents, but I don't think it will get that high. It's more likely going to be 0.59 cents. But then it finds resistance there and drops back down towards 0.54, 0.53 cents. And at this moment, I even expect it to drop down to half a cent. So that's 0.005. And yeah, then the technical situation is practically the same as it was in November, which was a range right here. And from that range, I do think eventually Jasmy can still break above 0.6 cents again and rally up to 0.7 cents. But we just need more bullish market circumstances around Jasmy. For now, those are not there, and Jasmy itself is also not providing a lot of strength on its own, right? And that's why I'm expecting this. I don't think this level right here between ultimately 0.51 or 0.48 cents will fail as support, but I'll keep you updated on that. All right, so keep an eye on it. For now, thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos, and don't forget to check out down in the comments and the description my premium and signal group. That's up to you though. If you have any questions, you can let me know down there as well. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.